Hi friends, welcome to this video guide on part 1 of careers in pure sciences domain. Today's science is tomorrow's technology, right? Opportunities in science ranges from developing vaccines to launching satellites into the space. In this video, I am going to talk about career options in the pure science category, popular institutions in India, and how to get there. Part 1 of this title video covers IISc, IISER, IIST, and IISER. Please refer to part 2 of this title video for pure science courses in IITs and NITs, CPETs, AIISc, NDRI, ISI, and CMI. Let us see who can take up the science field and what you will study there. Do you have a fascination with space? Does the infinity of the universe amaze you? Do you want to learn about the stars, moon, sun, and other celestial bodies? Do you enjoy the cutting-edge technology? Do you want to use the science and technology to make the miniature objects, appliances, or components? If your answer is yes to any of these, then we should proceed towards pure sciences field. I have some more visuals here to show what is involved in some of those science fields. Optics, material science, astrophysics, astronomy, biophysics, and other areas are covered in physics. Astronomy is the oldest science. Do you know that? Do you know that astronomers used to observe the night sky to make predictions about celestial objects in ancient times? In astronomy, you will study celestial bodies such as stars, planets, comets, and galaxies. Before you take up science, you should know, are you the right fit for science or not? For that, you should actually know what is there in science to study, right? Let me ask you some questions. Have you ever wondered why we look like our parents? Are you interested in studying the concept of genes? Genetics is the study of genetic element that is passed down from one generation to the next generation. Every child receives certain qualities from their parents such as hair texture, eye color, hair color, height, and skin colors. There are few exceptions too. Would you like to study about small living organisms like bacteria and fungus? Do you fall into the category of people who loves biology but also loves information technology? Nanoscience and nanotechnology are the study and application of extremely small objects that can be used in all other science domains, including chemistry, biology, physics, material science, and engineering. You know about GIS? Geographic Information System, GIS, is a technology for storing, analyzing, and visualizing data on the Earth's surface for spatial placement. Interesting, right? Science doesn't end there. Let us look at some more options in science career. One of it is statistics. Statistics is the branch of mathematics concerned with the collection, analysis, interpretation, and presentation of data. Statisticians use this information to solve social, economic, and corporate issues. Statistics is useful in a variety of areas, including finance, insurance, as well as healthcare. What about biochemistry? It is the study of the chemical processes that occur within living organisms. It is a scientific field that combines biological and chemical principles. One more is microbiology. Microbiology is the study of microorganisms that cannot be seen with the naked eye. Bacteria, fungi, viruses, and other microbes are examples of them. Another one is biotechnology. Biotechnology is the use of biological principles in conjunction with the cutting-edge technology to create goods that benefit both humans and the environment. It is the modification of genes to develop solutions to modern-day problems such as food supply, sickness, and environmental issues. Are you attracted by any of these and eager to study the science and research sector? The science and research sector has a wide range of specializations. It is ideal for persons with an inquiring mind and have a desire to make new discoveries. Then you should pursue a career in pure science domain. After knowing what is involved in pure sciences domain, now it is time to look at the institutes and courses offered by some of those institutes. First one in this video is IISc, the Indian Institute of Science. IISc is a leading institute for advanced scientific and technology research and teaching in India. It is located in Bangalore. In India, IISc produces more research than other institutes in the core sciences area. In addition, faculty at IISc work very closely with the business and government on research initiatives and funding. When it comes to the citations for faculty, IISc is ranked 11th in the world and 3rd in Asia. It's an amazing institute to go for pure sciences study, right? Now, let us see how we can get into IISc. Candidates must have studied physics, chemistry, and mathematics as the main topics in their 12th standard. And additional subjects like biology, statistics, electronics, computer science, and biotechnology would help. Candidates must have obtained a 60% or equivalent grade in their 12th grade examination. It is relaxed to pass class for reservation category. Those selected for KVPY fellowship or qualified in JEE Main or qualified in JEE Advanced or NEET UG with certain cutoff percentage are eligible to be considered for IISc. Cutoff percentage changes every year. Biology, chemistry, environmental sciences, materials, mathematics, and physics are all available as bachelor's and integrated master's degree programs at IISc. During your first year, you will study common subjects, including those from humanities cluster. The graduate and postgraduate courses at IISc are research oriented. So IISc graduates have excellent career opportunities. Either you can pursue doctoral studies at abroad, work as an assistant professor in CSIR and other government institutes, become a junior and senior research scientist. You can also work with companies and even work as a scientist at the BARC, the Baba Atomic Research Center. That was about IISc, the Indian Institute of Science. The next one in this video for you to grab is IISER. Do you know about IISERs? The MHRD, Ministry of Human Resource and Development, has created 7 such institutes in India with the goal of promoting quality education and research opportunities. These national level institutes are known as the Indian Institutes of Scientific Education and Research, IISER. IISc are located in Pune, Mohali, Kolkata, Tirunanthapuram, Behrampur, Bhopal, and Tirupati. Now, let us look at the academic courses offered by IISERs. You know, IISERs provide 2 types of educational programs in the basic sciences, namely physics, chemistry, biology, mathematics, and earth sciences. Those are doctoral studies, that is PhD, and dual degree programs, BS, MS. Dual degree BS-MS is a 5-year integrated program for exceptionally meritorious and motivated students from the 12th standard. While the first 2 years of the program consists of classroom courses covering fundamentals and advanced concepts of core subjects, the next 2 years aim to promote special interest and knowledge in the subjects of your specialization. The final year, the 5th year of the program, requires the students to work on a research project of their specialization. As shown in this slide, the integrated MS courses are not restricted to physics, chemistry, and maths. You can also enroll in economics and engineering science courses. There are several courses available to choose based on your interest. Coming to the eligibility, candidates with a minimum of 60% in their 12th grade are eligible to apply. However, there is a relaxation for reserved categories. Note that admission is based only on merit, either through the KVPY fellowship or through the JEE Advanced, or the third one is called the State and Central Boards Channel, SCB. This SCB channel is for state and board toppers who missed the board through KVPY and JEE channels. IISER announces the 12th cutoff marks for SCB channel applicants who would be eligible to take up the IISER aptitude test, IAT. 75% of the seats are filled through SCB channel, and when the suitable candidates are not available through JEE plus KVPY quota, those seats are also filled through the SCB channel. This slide lists the IAT exam pattern for the SCB channel. It is a 3-hour online test for 180 marks and 15 questions each from physics, chemistry, maths, and biology based on your NCERT textbooks. You will receive 3 marks for each correct answer and a -1 mark for each incorrect answer. That was about IISERs.